Well, I thought I'd do a quick video here. I've been thinking about what to do for another video. I don't have a whole lot of locks at this point. They're up at my other place. But you've seen me do the pack lock. You know, I did the pack lock challenge. Everybody's done 1,000. There's 10,000 videos of a American and, you know, a multi-lock interactive. I could do that one for you, but I thought this would be a little interesting. This is what I've been messing with lately. I got this a while back. I ordered it off the old interweb, and it was supposed to be a Bluetooth, connect to your phone lock that I got from China. And I've had it for quite a few years now, and it never worked. The app never worked, and I had been trying to get it open using magnets and all kinds of stuff, and I finally ended up getting it. But I started taking it apart here, and because I noticed the back started pushing out, and I was like, wow. So I looked, and the battery started to swell and was pushing out here and push this back out. So I took it apart and was messing with it, and I don't know, I think this would be kind of a fun project. To see a lot of the community out there is pretty tech savvy. I thought it'd be really cool if I could make it into kind of a, I don't know, like a push button, maybe like a boop boop unlock lock. I thought that would be cool, but I'm not very tech savvy. But I thought maybe this would be a fun project if somebody wants to work with it with me, and I thought I'd throw it out there. But it seems to, well, this battery's kind of dead. But, oh, there we go. But yeah, it all still works. We just need to re-put a battery in it, and maybe a RFD type of thing, or something like a car unlock thing would be kind of cool. But I don't know, that's what I've been messing with as of lately, because I don't have too many locks here that are all that interesting to look at. But let me know in the comments if you guys want to collaborate on trying to get this thing going, or I could go into make a lot of tips for the sparrows and the RWB destainer picks there. I could go through a tutorial on how I make those. But other than that, I just thought I'd throw a quick video out there and see what you guys think. And if there's anything you guys want to see me pick that I have, I don't really have anything too interesting. But yeah, alrighty. Thanks a lot. Bye.